how to check flight status on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, in this video you'll learn how you can check your flight status on Southwest Airlines. So if you're trying to check how far status about your flight and all of that, you can easily do that on your account. And how do you do so? First of all, log in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page where you can see your flight section when you scroll down. Now the flight section is a section where you can see options like flights, vacations, hotel, car, check-in, flight status, change or cancel. And then just go ahead and click on flight status. After clicking on flight status, you can now see some fields that have been displayed asking you to enter in your departure time. This is when you've your departure location, your arrival location, and then the travel date. Okay, and then if you have your flight number too, you can put it here, but it is optional. And then once you've filled all of these fields, click on search, and just like that, your flight would be searched out and the status would be displayed as well. Okay, so you would know, you would see details, you would check your current status. If it's been delayed, if it has been cancelled or whatever, you definitely see it there. But first of all, you would have to fill in these fields. Okay, enter in your departure location, your arrival location, the travel date, and click on search, and then details about the flights would be displayed. So it's as simple as that. So go ahead and check out your flight status today. Thank you.